Hello everyone. In today's video, we will compare the Xiaomi POCO X6 Pro versus Motorola Edge 50 Fusion. If you don't want to miss out on any updates, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for notifications. And to make your life easier, I've dropped the purchase links for these phones in the video description below. Without further ado, let's jump right into the comparison. Design, build, weight, dimensions, display, size, resolution, screen-to-body ratio, type, pixel density, refresh rate, colors and brightness, protection, dust and water resistant, rear camera, video recording, selfie camera, performance, chipset, CPU, GPU, operating system, Antutu benchmark, storage, RAM, internal memory, universal flash storage, card slot, battery, capacity, charging input, fast charging, wireless charging, reverse charging, connectivity, SIM card, Network. Bluetooth. Wi-Fi. Navigation. NFC. 3mm jack. Radio. Security. Fingerprint. Face ID. Result. Price. Which one gets your vote? Share your opinion in the comments below. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Check out this other comparison popping up on your screen right now. Until then,